CEO of Robatz. What I'm going to tell you is the future of cities, comfort cities, and smart cities. There is a passion in cities today for smart technologies, and there is a hypothesis that in future cities will compete for citizens. So the smart technologies that we are implementing, in the world, became an advantage and a reason to move into the city. The problem, there's the point. Yeah, the problem is how to make such a smart system not so complicated. Well, because it is complicated. So, how can we develop a simple system that will cost less and will not need such a big amount of human resources for orchestrating all these devices, and how it can be more secure and productive. So the technology that we are working on is called swarm network. It allows to connect devices in decentralized manner, and using swarm algorithms, we allow them to make decisions autonomously in real-time situations. Because of the system is oriented to devices, it has some advantages. Its efficiency, security, speed, fault tolerance is higher, and the complexity and cost is lower. Our idea is to connect city lamps into a network and collect data about cars and pedestrians' movements. So the city lamps can can make decisions autonomously with what power they need to switch on. Moreover, based on this decentralized network, we can develop city light control system, traffic control, eco monitoring, and parking system. This is possible with our device that includes a radio frequency model, controller, and a sensor of movement that recognize objects. Our software includes comparatively simple swarm algorithms and system of data storage and visualization and control for desktops and mobiles. We want to start implementation from villages in Europe and USA and step-by-step moving into cities. Our business model, we want to earn on the product solution with hardware and software, and also monthly fees for data access. Here we are in the laboratory prototype, and next steps are traffic system prototype, eco monitoring, parking system, and testing close to real life situations. Our team is 15 people.
Thank you. Thank you. Time is up.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot. Please support Ali. Please, jury, your questions.
Hi, thank you.
Yeah.
So extremely crowded space where you're going.
Yeah.
So what is your kind of like competitive advantage?
Well, we make it in decentralized manner, and most, I can say maybe every system that is implementing nowadays is a centralized system. It needs server and a huge amount of human resources. And we make it in the centralized manner without server, like an orchestrator. So the city those hardware that I showed, it can act autonomously in decentralized manner based on mesh network with our swarm algorithms. So our advantage is that our system is much more simple in production and in implementing. It costs less because of there is no server. It more fault tolerance because if the server doesn't work or some part of the system doesn't work, it doesn't ruin the work of the whole system. It's just clusterizing and works as it worked before.
Okay, I have a question. Thank you for your pitch. Who stores the data and who owns the data?
The data is stored on the server. The server is used not like an orchestrator, but of course we need for this big data someplace to.
Just follow up. Is it the government? Is it you? Who actually
Yeah,
owns the data?
we think that it will be infrastructure of cities, municipalities.
Councils.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
councils.
you. Thank you a lot. That was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.